Welcome to saiclasses. So today we are going to discuss science class 10th. Okay. From today we are starting a new series of numerical questions related to class 10th science. Okay. So chapter 12, electricity. So we will discuss these 5 numerical questions one by one. Let's begin the class. The first question is the filament of bulb. The filament of bulb draws a current of 5 ampere. Calculate the amount of charge if bulb glows for 2.5 hours. Okay, so first of all, write the given values. We have been given electric current 0.5 ampere and time 2.5 hours. But in this case, we will have to change the hours into seconds. So 2.5 into 60 is equal to 9,000 seconds. Okay. Now, so we will have to find amount of charge. The formula is I equals to Q upon T. Okay. So let's solve the question. Okay. So formula is I is equal to Q upon T. And we have been given the value of I and T. So after cross multiplication, we have new formula Q is equal to I into T. Now put the value of I 0.5 into time 9,000 seconds. Okay. Now remove the decimal and 5 to the 10 and divide 9,000 by 2. Now we have 4,500 coulomb. Okay, this is amount of charge we have. The unit of charge is coulomb. Okay, so this is our first question. Now the second question, 10 coulomb charge passing through a point in a circuit in 5 seconds. Find the electric current flowing in the circuit. Okay, so first of all, write the given values. We have time 5 seconds, charge 10 coulomb, and we will have to find electric current. So formula is I is equal to QT. Okay. Now, this question is very simple. I is equal to QT. Now, put the value of Q 10 upon 5. Okay. 5 to the 10. I is equal to 2 ampere. Okay, so this question is very simple. Now we will discuss question number 3. Okay, so calculate the amount of work done in carrying 8 coulomb charge from a terminal of 150 volt to 200 volt. Okay, so first write the values given in the question. Charge 8 coulomb, potential V1 150 volt, potential V2 200 volt. Now find the potential difference V is equal to V2 minus V1. So 200 minus 150 100. Okay, now we will have 50 volt and we will have to find work done. Formula is W is equals to V into Q. So question is very simple. W is equal to V into Q. Now put the value of V, that is 50, and value of Q is 8. Now simple multiplication. 8 5s are 40 and the unit of work is joule. So these are question. Okay. Now we will discuss the fourth question. Fourth question says a current of 0.5 ampere is drawn by a filament of an electric bulb for 15 minutes. Find the amount of electric charge. On the amount of electric charge. Now, first given values, we have electric current 0.5 ampere, time has been given 15 minutes, but we will change it into seconds. So 15 into 60, now we have 900 seconds and we will have to find charge Q. So formula is I is equal to Q upon T. Okay. So now I is equal to Q upon T, same cross multiplication. Now Q is equal to I into T. Okay, so put the value of I 0.5 into 900. Remove decimal, 5 2s are 10 and divide 900 by 2, 450. So Q is equals to 450 and unit of charge is coulomb. In short, we can write C. Okay, so this is very simple question. Okay, now the last question. A current of 1 ampere is drawn by a filament of an electric bulb. Find the number of electrons passing through a cross section of the filament in 10 seconds. So in this question, we will have to find number of electrons. Okay, so now solve the question. So first of all, we will have to write the given values. We have electric current 1 ampere and time 10 seconds. And we will have to find number of electrons represented by N. Okay. So our formula is I is equal to Ne upon T. In this formula, we have the value of I and T, but we don't have the value of E. So what is E? E is charge on electrons. Okay. 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. This is a constant value, so learn this value. Now we will solve the question. So we have this formula. After cross multiplication, now we have formula N is equal to I into T upon E. So put the value of I is 1 into time 10 seconds. Okay, time 10 seconds, and value of E is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So now divide 10 by 1.6. So after dividing, we will have the value 6.8 25 upon 10 raised to minus 19. Now we can move this value here, so it will become 6.25 into 10 raised to 19. Okay, so this is number of electrons. Okay, there are so many playlists on the channel. You can watch if you find these useful. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel Saiclasses by Naveensaxena and Numerical.